Now on ABC 24 News, meteorologist Trevor Birchett with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
A wet and rainy Friday morning here at Memphis in the Mid-South. Here's a live view from iDrive, Arkansas, looking back toward downtown Memphis. Lighter rain falling here in the Memphis area now, but there are some heavier storms off to the east of the city. Here's radar right now. We've got kind of a broken line of storms moving through West Tennessee and portions of northern Mississippi right now. Those came through Memphis about an hour ago. The heaviest of the rain now is off to the east, just to the south of Bolivar and Hardin County. Also some heavy downpours north of Ripley and Tippah County, Benton County, over toward Marshall and back toward DeSoto and Tate counties right now. Here in the Memphis area, it's just lighter rain. The lightning and thunder has dissipated, but it's still rain nonetheless. And as you can imagine, that is causing some problems on the roadways. Here's the bigger picture of what we're watching. We have a cold front back off to the north and west. That is going to bring us our second round of storms later on today. Some of those could be strong to severe. In fact, we've got a tornado warning right now in northwestern Arkansas, and that's something we might have to watch for as we get into this afternoon and evening. The hour-by-hour forecast shows us storms this morning, but a little bit of a break by 11 or 12 later on today. As we get closer to lunchtime, I think we get a break from the rain, but more storms develop after 1 p.m. into the evening. That's when we have a better chance of the strong to severe weather we were talking about. And this evening, Friday night football, grilling out, going out for dinner. It's looking pretty stormy, especially by 6 and 7 p.m. I think by 8 p.m. the rain starts to move out, and then tonight not looking too bad, but especially right around sunset, dinner time, I think that's when that line of storms is going to move through. And of course, there is a risk for severe weather with that line, a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather for areas including Memphis, Tunica, Covington, Ripley, Dyersburg, much of West Tennessee, North Mississippi, and eastern Arkansas. A level 1 risk for places like Oxford and Corinth, but everybody could see some strong storms today. We're thinking a lot of the storms are going to produce some gusty winds, some damaging winds, possibly heavy rain, and then there's a secondary concern of maybe a little small hail or even a brief tornado. That's not a big concern, but it's certainly a possibility, especially north of Memphis. Again, that's from about noon through 8 p.m. today. I think tonight not looking too bad. The hour-by-hour forecast shows us those storms right now. They're going to move out by 8 a.m. and then we get a little break from the rain before that second line of storms comes through later on. So by 4 p.m. we'll be watching that line coming through places like Forest City and Wynn, and then I think it'll be here in Memphis by about 6 p.m. West Tennessee seeing some storms by then too, and then it's going to come through North Mississippi after that and then clear the area by 8 p.m. Good news is after that, the weekend looking fantastic. Sunshine Saturday and Sunday, cooler weather. Highs in the 70s, so it's going to feel great. Next week, great too. A mix of sun and clouds, a little bit warmer, back to near 80 by Wednesday, but another cold front brings us some sprinkles and cooler weather by about this time next week.